Hello, this is Elad from Astrolabe Diagnostics, and today I would like to discuss our latest new feature, dynamic y-axes. Proper visualization is key to making sense of your data, and this is especially true when using differential expression analysis to compare marker intensities, or MFIs, across experimental conditions. In this experiment from Tordestilas et al., we are examining blood samples from peanut allergic patients that were exposed to three different conditions: a positive control, a negative control, and a peanut extract experimental condition. Here is the differential expression view in Astrolabe. In this heat map, every row is one of the cell subsets, every column is one of the markers. The deeper the color, the greater the fold change. We can see that PERK and PS6 have some sort of response for both the plasmacytoid dendritic cells and the basophils. So let's start by clicking on the PDCs and on these two markers, and then scroll down in order to have a closer look at this trend. Looking at PERK, to the left we can see the level of this marker in the media condition. To the right we can see the positive control with anti-IgE, and then between them there's the peanut extract itself. And we can see that there is a response there. It's somewhere between the two extremes. Then, looking at PS6, we see a similar trend. The marker is lowest in the media condition, highest for the anti-IgE, and then the peanut extract is somewhere in between. Now let's add some perspective, and I'm going to add two naive T cells as reference. And you'll notice two things. One, there is no change in the level of PS6 or in the level of PERK in either one of these populations. Furthermore, the level of PERK for the T cells is about the same as the stimulated or the positive control PDCs. However, it is much closer to the media condition for PS6. So it seems like there's different trends here as far as these two markers are concerned when comparing the PDCs to the rest of the populations. Furthermore, we've seen a trend in the basophils as well. So let's add them now, and please mind the y-axes. Right now they go up to 2. Once we add the basophils, all of the figures are now adjusted. And the reason is the level of PERK is much higher in the basophils. In fact, even the media condition basophils have a higher level of PERK than all of the other populations. Scrolling down, similarly with PS6, PS6 increases in the basophils, and the levels are much higher than they are with the PDCs and with the two T cell populations. Now, assuming that we're done with the basophils, we want to focus on the PDCs, we can just turn them off. And as soon as we do, once again, the y-axis adjusts, and we're guaranteed to see as much of the dynamic range of this marker while keeping the perspective of all the other populations. Our goal here in Astrolabe is to help you analyze the data in as friendly a fashion as possible. If you need any help with your experiment, please reach out. I'm Elad at astrolabediagnostics.com. Additionally, I encourage you to subscribe to our LinkedIn page and to our YouTube channel, where we post more of these videos. Thank you for your time and have a great day.